in this video, I'll try to explain a little bit more why we are learning these commands. These commands that we've been going through so far, like cd, which change directory, print working directory, ls, and others. The reason we are doing this is to get to know the Linux file system and how it's built up. Because when you are in the terminal, it's not so easy to maybe see how it is, right? You're kind of a blind mouse which is moving up and down, and it's a little bit kind of, how to say, mystical. And this is just a kind of exercise to get known, to be used to imaging a kind of a tree inside of your head, which will help you later on. I will show later on how we can make scripts, and in scripts you have to move from one folder to another folder, and this will just happen inside the script. And in this sense, it's necessary for you to have the kind of mental picture of the Linux file system. So the Linux file system, as I explained before, it starts with the root, which is the top level, and from here all the other folders which are important for the Linux file system it contains. So let's see, if I do a list, you will see that it contains a lot of important folders, and if you delete some of them, your whole system will break down. As a normal user, you can't delete them. If you try to delete all your binaries, you are not allowed to do it. So that's a good thing. Let me go back to my personal folder. So either can just do a cd, which will take me home, but I'll do it now the full. So I go cd home, and you saw I can type just HO and then press tab on my keyboard. It will autocomplete, which is very useful if you have very long folder names. The next is my username, which I know like this, and then I made this course folder. So this should work if I typed it correctly. Yeah. If it doesn't work, you will get an error message. Print working directory. Now I'm back home. Okay, so in this course folder that I made, I have now one folder and two files. There is a command in Linux which can be useful. It's called tree. It will print out a tree structure from where you are in the file system, where your prompt is. So now I am in home LGO course. If I now do a TREE, let's see how that will be. Well, let me just clear up like this, TREE. So it starts, this is the starting point, and it shows me here is something called download, here is a file.txt and file, and it says there's one directory, this is the directory, and there are two files. Now let me move .cd . I move to the parent folder, do a print working directory. So now I'm in my personal home folder. Let's do a tree here. Clear, and then another tree. Let's see. Oh, so suddenly much more. I can use the mouse to move up, and as you can see, I have 44 directories and 440 files. If I do ls, you see it's a messy home folder. But it shows you a structure, right? So one of my folders is called temp2, and inside the temp2 there are also some content. I can't really see whether this is a file or a folder, but this can help you kind of to get a quick overview and also if you're missing a file or a document or something and you wonder, did I put it in this folder or this folder, you can use tree too. But later on I will make a video of how to use a command called find, and to me find is maybe the most useful command in Linux. You can practically do anything. So that will be the next video. Okay, thank you.